So my next question is more, about the buy side and the kind of demand that you see coming from the institutional side for the value that technical analysis brings into the decision-making process. Is that changing? And the reason I'm asking you this is because you've been in the industry for a long time, and I'm sure in your previous stint with JM, you were in touch with institutional clients. But is there now an evolution towards, oh my God, there is value in TA. I can't not look at TA anymore. Is that coming from the buy side?
Oh, absolutely. Probably we are in a major uptrend. If you really look at where technical analysis is in the global research basket, I think, and this is also because of the market behavior. You had a year like 2017, which was probably a dream year in the history of the Indian markets, because you did not even have a correction of 7%, if I'm not wrong, the entire year. You bought anything, you made money. There was no reason to look at timing. There was no reason to look at charts to buy anything. It was so easy. And after 17 comes a period of 2018 and 19 and 20 so far, which has been so challenging. So many stocks have lost 70, 80%. So many stocks that did well over a period of 2013 to 17 moved up 5x, 10x, 15x, and then lost 70% in value. So people have started realizing that timing has become important. You can't just buy a stock, and hold it thinking that, okay, over the next 20 years, I think this will do very well. You have stocks that can go up 10x and then lose 90% of all of it, given disruption, algos, and the dynamic world that we are living in. So yes, I think technical analysis is here to stay. And given what has happened in the last 1 year, timing has become so important. And I think more and more people are now getting into this field. I know, in fact, 60% of my subscriber base are people who follow fundamental analysis. They come to me for timing. They all know which is a good stock. They all know Reliance is a good stock to buy. They come to me, when should I buy Reliance? And that's where technical analysis comes into play. And I think this is going to be the case for many years to come.
That's awesome, Gautam. I remember this one interaction with someone who calls himself an investor, and this perennial debate about fundamental and technical analysis was happening on the table. And he said, look, I don't care about where the market is going to be 6 months from now. I'm more into where the market's going to be 25, 30 years from now. So I don't care about timing, without realizing that 25 to 30 years is an element of time that goes into the process, right? So accidentally he was doing fundamental analysis without knowing that he was trying to time the markets in a way. I mean, 25, 30 years, 6 months doesn't matter. I mean, time is a critical element in the process. So I totally agree with you.